Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Ionic, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the notifications on this device. We need to start by opening the FITBIT app on our phone. In the app, we need to tap on the profile icon right here to open the account menu, and here we need to select our iconic watch from the list. Now let's tap on the notifications option. If you don't have the notification access enabled for the FITBIT app, you will see this screen. Tap on Enable Notification Service, tap on FITBIT app, and here tap on the switch next to Allow Notification Access, then tap Allow to allow it. And now we can enable different types of notifications. For example, we can enable call notifications by tapping the switch next to calls, and then you can tap on Allow or Deny to allow or deny the permissions for contacts. But if you want the notifications to work, I think you need to allow them. Now we can tap on text messages, and here we can enable them, the notification for text messages, or disable them. You can also select the default messaging apps, and as you can see I have messages and WhatsApp. Basically you can select one by tapping on it. Below we have calendar events. Let's tap on it. Again, we can enable it or disable it by tapping the switch, and we can select the default calendar app. I have only Google Calendars. And below we have emails. As you can see, it's disabled. We can enable it by tapping the switch, and again you can select the default email app. I have only Gmail. And below we have app notifications. Here you can tap on it and basically enable the notifications for different apps on your phone. And you have whole list. As you can see, tap on the box next to the app you want to enable the notifications to, like this, and simply go back like that. And now the notifications will be enabled for only those 3 apps I selected. And you can select more or disable them, of course, by opening this menu again and unselecting them, like that. Next option is reply settings, and we have quick replies right here. Basically here you can customize the quick replies for your messaging apps. You can tap on default replies right here, and you have, as you can see, yes, no, sounds good, can talk right now, will reply later, and WhatsApp. And you can tap on it and enter different messages. For example, we can enter Indeed. Then you can fill it in right here. You can also set up the emojis like that. And once you're done, simply go back, and you will be able to use your custom default or other quick replies. And here you have different apps. As you can see, list of apps. You can tap on them, and you can set up the quick replies for each separate app. So basically you can customize it for every app on this list. Okay. Below reply settings we have vibration settings, and we can enable or disable the option called always vibrate. Basically it's gonna be always vibrating even though when you get the notification on your watch, even though the do not disturb mode is enabled. And below we have advanced settings, and here we have enable transliteration, and you can enable it by tapping the switch like this. And that's basically all. If you want to disable the notification as the whole thing, you can tap on more options icon right here and tap on disable notifications like that. And to enable them, you need to enable them separately again. Okay, that's how you enable the notifications on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.